the inner corner. Allow it to sit a little bit, sit in like this. Firstly, you need a cleanser. This is micellar cleansing water. Put some drops on a cotton pad like this. Clean. Initially, there should be nothing on your face. Your face should be bare just the way you washed it. This is a gentle cleanser and is therefore very good for sensitive skin. Cleans the skin from any excess oils and pore clogging dirt like this. Next thing you need is a serum. This is a niacinamide serum, therefore it's very good for those with sensitive skin as well. This helps with uneven skin tone and inflammation. After applying each of the products, you need to allow 3 minutes for the skin to absorb it. The next product is moisturizer, and I'm going in with this Cetaphil's moisturizing lotion. So if you have acne prone skin, you can go in with this moisturizer. It's so good. It gives you a smooth base and it also helps manage the acne. My makeup always come out looking so flawless under Cetaphil products. So I normally don't use any special moisturizer for makeup. I use my daily moisturizer. This is another good moisturizer I can recommend, CeraVe. Next is primer. I have a Shea Glam primer here, one from Essence and another from Catrice Cosmetics. I'll go in with this Essence Poreless Mattifying Primer. Because my skin is extremely oily now, this is a mattifying primer. You should know your skin type. When your skin is oily, you use a mattifying primer. If it's dry, you use a hydrating primer. Last but one thing you need is an under eye primer, and I'm using this Jelly Grip under eye primer from Essence. And finally, a setting mist or a setting spray, and I'm going in with this Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray from Essence. Now you see how the skin is prepped, hydrated and ready for makeup. In with this Essence Day All Day Foundation, pump it on the back of the hand, spread it out with a brush. It's always good to spread out with a brush first before you blend. Cover this mark, look at that. Just dab, not swapping. You don't want to track the product and move it from where you placed it. Around the eye area, you only use what is left on the brush. No foundation is to help even out the skin tone. I'll go in with this Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer to highlight. Apply it under the eyes, this way. You need to put it in such a way that it will give you the flawless look that you want. You have to put that product in the bridge of the nose. To allow this to sit a little bit before you blend, so I'll go in with my Shea Glam Contour Liquid Sculpt Contour while waiting for it to sit. So the points where you apply your contour. This is my contour brush. The contour is used to bring back structure to the face. So you blend this a little bit upward. Look at that shadow. Then on the chin. Look at how that is melting onto the skin. This is what happens if you prep the skin properly. You're not using too much pressure. So the essential part, which is the under eyes, you start from here. Look, down here like this, gradually. Now we have to apply blush, and I'm using this Essence Baby Cut blush. And I use this blush brush, just blend it in. To do nose contour, I didn't use any liquid product on my nose. I like to just go in straight with powder, contour my nose. Just go with this. Tap it. Yeah, look at that nose, properly contoured. And here is our makeup base. It's time to set our makeup. We're going in with this translucent loose setting powder from Yardley. So before we set, I go in with my powder puff one more time to eliminate anything like if it has started creasing. And then I'll take mattifying setting powder from Essence first of all, press this in with it before going in with translucent setting powder. Just set the areas that you highlighted. At this point, I take my translucent setting powder, take some of it like this, even it out like this first before I go in with under my eyes. Just highlighted areas. So look at that flawless under eyes. And I'll go in with this big setting powder to set the rest of my face. Spray this essence setting spray. Use this fully to brush my brows with this Essence long lasting brow pencil. But now I don't dream about you. I don't dream about you. I don't dream about you. Now we brush the starting point. I use these two shades of Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer to clean. And this is the brush I'm using. You can also go in with an angled brush. This is a flat brush. Blend it in immediately to make sure it doesn't dry. Then I'll go in with this darker shade to clean the front part. And here we have our brows. The last thing is just to get some powder and set under the brows, set that concealer. Prime my eyelids using this concealer. Okay, let me apply a little bit to hold my eyeshadow fallout. Let me just place it here. Do my eyeshadow and then dust it off. Blend this in. I'll be using this K3 Safari Slim eyeshadow palette, fluffy brush. Pick some darker shade. Dust off the excess. I'm going to start by applying on the outermost corner. So blend this in, wing it out. I'll get a more fluffy brush. Pick up some lighter shade. Pick out this orange. Gradually use it in circular motion to fade out any harsh line. I come in with the brush that I use for the brown shade. Just make sure the two colors marry each other. So this is how my eyelids look. I'm just going to brighten up this inner corners a little bit before applying the shimmer, anything brighter. I'm over here blending this harsh line. Don't want any separation. So for the brighter shade, I would love to go in with this. So we're just gonna apply it here. Now we're using this Essence Deep Eyeliner. Okay, grab your eyeliner, clean the tip, let's go. I will line closely, very close to the lash line. See the difference in it. Just gonna look here. Look at it. I'm going to dust the excess product under my eyes. I will use this random mascara I picked from Shein. Okay. Open your eyes. Just gradually comb, like brushing the brows. You come the inner corner. Allow it to sit a little bit. Sit in like this.
The